Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to view old Snapchat stories. So let's start this video. So first open Snapchat. Now click on the media icon. Now you have to scroll on the right over here and then click on stories. So from here you will see all the stories that you have posted so far, including your old stories too. So this is the first step how you find old stories on Snapchat. Now I'm going to show you another way of finding old Snapchat stories. You just need to click on your profile icon on the top left corner, then click on settings on the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down, then you have to click on my data. So from here you need to download all of the data, which will include your Snapchat old history too. You need to click on next and then just select the date of which you want to download the data. For example, I want to view the data around October, so I will just select October, and you can also select the month including the week, and then after you have done that you have to confirm your email and then click on submit. So once you click on submit, you will receive an export on your email which will include all of your old Snapchat stories. So this is how you view old Snapchat stories. I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel.